Hello guys, how are you? This is a very big problem today. I'm gonna be online to play in the Tekken 7 Ultimate Edition because Codex and Figgal and Koratak would not be able to giving online class. So you just anyone goes to this videos or let's see one sec. Everyone's gonna watch this video and descriptions link gonna download, but you can't work. Let's see this one more time. This is the download link of mm, not here, not here, not here, not here. Okay, this is the another correction of online fixed payday 2 demo. Recently now he's gonna change the method because there's not working to the crack. So how to fix it? You would just play to enable your online on this game. So I'll just giving you uh, some kind of tricks. I hope you'll like it. And first of all, you just put it on your Steam and look at that payday demo to download it first because I just started downloaded. And look at this is the screenshot is enabled on it's take 7 screenshots. It's watching to a payday demo too because there is a because this is the um, change of link connections from this game and enabling to play from tag and the payday demo to mm, work like a server like somehow connections. So go to your store, and if you want via get the payday demo 2 is you just have to this one and download content payday 2 via visual version. uh, then do not download it and go to this one. And if he asks some kind of payment, you can don't worry, and you just put it to your Steam from this big picture mode and go to the big picture mode. And I'll just tell now I just tell you the something. So this is the store and not going to the store, and you just go to the web and go to this Google Maps and cut it. And one sec. uh, this is the I do not paste. This is the link of payday 2 the link is description is already, and you just go to description and copy that link. I'll just I'm sorry because today is my health is too weak. So this is the payday 2 demos link, and link is already in description box, and you just put it down and Control V press and automatically link on a pasted and hit enter. There's the look payday demo 2 on Steam. So there is the link. You just put it install, and already it's gonna install in your PC. Now just show you the library because this is the payday demo 2, and look at this. This is the screenshot of taking tags in 2 hours ago, and I'll just show you to the and your downloading going to be started right now. You just pause it from this download, and you do not download from this old 4 gigs file, and you just go to back on your exit big picture. And now uh, I'll just show you. I'm pausing this library, and 22.6 MB only just downloaded, and 3.6 gigs is a full file of payday demo 2. And you just do not download it, and you just hit library and minimize Steam, and do not open the Steam and put it to double click or run as administrator. Do not run this file. You just go to your uh, shortcut of your desktop and double click and you must check your properties and check your compatibility. Run as administrator, run this program as an administrator, and this is the check the box. And right now check OK. So um, double click from this program and look at that. This is the allow map and administrator gonna yes, and watch it from he's taking some minutes, some seconds of launching. Holy shit, my health is too weak. And now it's gonna be a loaded, and did not open to this Steam. So this is the first trick of using the online modded. You do not use your in Steam shortcut, and wait for somehow. And look at that. This is the gonna be start with this game. Or maybe sorry. I'm playing right now for some kind of nices of online. So look at this. This is the 8K online, and I just show you to the information. So this is the information of offline mode, and this is for the online mode. And longest plays win 3 times, and 7 matches and 2 wins and 8 kills, and total 8 wins. And look at this. This is the rank match, and this is the session matches, and 6 wins, 11 battles, and 5 lose, 6 wins. And look at it. This is my name of the top, and it's Tokiji Love shows, and I'll just show you to the online mode, and gonna rank on. I'll just check your leaderboard. No, I'll just wait to some. I'll show you to the some kind of buddies already online. I'll just show you. Oh, I'm just going to offline. Now going to the rank, and
welcome to the King of Iron Fist Tournament 7. Brian Fury.
This is my main character. And I look at that. This is
new challenger.
There's my buddy calling me on, and it's working. Oh. good, man.
New challenger.
Oh, thanks a lot. Thank you, Lord, sir. Now you're gonna show this the left bottom side is going to be left gonna be entered and 3-4 times gonna have new challenge here it comes up and because light of connections of opponent cannot be able to playing some kind of people. And if you need to unlock your all customizations and all customizations program please hit like button and give me a comments and I'll just preparing a new video for everything's unlocking your Tekken time and look at that this is our everything is unlocked not for the blind and in anyhow look going to Kazuya and do not play in one more time to Kazuya always unlock everything it's Kazuya it's unlock look at that this is the unlock everything nobody's can lock this and if you need to unlock everything subscribe to my channel and like my video and share my video and comment me then I will just if 100 likes come this video then I will just creating a new video from how to unlock everything in without playing any too much games look at this information of offline battles and I'm just only playing arcade battle for win 4 battles and 22 times I'm just playing and everything's gonna be unlocked because this is the trick from I'm using to unlock from the all items to like my video and share my video and subscribe to my channel then I'm just creating a this creative video so thank you very much watch my video friends yeah bye bye.